This is what my room looks like before the makeover. It's not a complete disaster, but it is very pink and very messy. I really don't like these dark colors, but since I don't know how to paint, I decided to buy wallpapers instead. I chose white wood grain wallpaper to cover the shelves, the door, and my cabinet. I got 10 meters of this wallpaper from Shopee for just 158 pesos. It was pretty easy to install since it's self-adhesive. I just had to make sure that the lines are all in a straight line and it wouldn't create any bubbles. I have added timestamps, by the way, in the description box if you wish to skip to a specific part of this video. The main reason why I decided to do a room makeover is because of my workstation. It is so cramped and uncomfortable and not really very suitable for working. I'm sure this table looks familiar. I've been using it as a desk and it is very small and barely fits my computer. This dresser is also blocking the only window I have, so I decided to move it. I decided to move my bed beside the window so more light will enter my room. I also got a new desk from Shopee. I unboxed it as soon as I received it so I can contact the seller immediately if there were any issues. Thankfully, the table is in great condition. It was very easy to set up and was very affordable as well. I decided to place my new workstation beside the door so I'll have more space. I just had to buy a longer LAN cable so I can connect my PC to my modem. To reduce the pinkness of my room, I decided to buy faux brick wallpaper. I also got it from Shopee for just 38 pesos per piece. I could have just stuck it as is, but I decided to cut it like a jigsaw puzzle. That way, the bricks look more seamless. I bought just 12 pieces since I only plan to wallpaper the walls beside my bed. I also cut the wallpaper into smaller pieces for the walls closest to my ceiling. I bought these string lights from Shopee for just 98 pesos. It was already 10 meters and has 8 different settings. I got this lamp from WalterMart. It was originally for 1,200 pesos, but I got it for half its price. I also bought different organizers to avoid a messy room. This faux fur carpet is one of my favorite purchases from Shopee. It was so big but also so affordable. I also got this very cute diffuser for just 299 pesos. I just bought different essential oils from SM department store. This tapestry was also one of my favorite purchases. I just bought adhesive hooks so I can hang it on my wall. I also got this wall grid to help organize my stuff. I still plan to add more stuff to it once I'm ready for my desk makeover. I bought new bed sheets and blankets from SM department store as well. The pillowcase for my body pillow was bought from Shopee. After a few more changes, this is what my room looks like after the makeover. I did not really have a specific aesthetic in mind. I just wanted it to be brighter and cozier, which I think I achieved.